Hello everyone, welcome to new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to rename your PC. If you are using Windows 11 or 10, that is almost similar. In my case, I am using Windows 11. If you want to give a personalized name for your PC, then this tutorial will be very useful to you. Let's follow me how I can do that. First, open, click on Start menu icon and then click on Settings. Now here in the left side there are a lot of tabs, but you need to confirm you are in Home or System tab. See here on the other tab you cannot find those options. If you are in System or Home tab, you can see the PC name. Now click on the rename icon. Now give a proper name. Now click on next, clear the space, then click on next. Now you need to restart the PC. After restarting, the name will be changed. That's it, how you can rename your PC. Thank you.